The hidden link between sleep and blood sugar. Science you need to know. Most people think blood sugar is only about what you eat. But what if I told you that how well you sleep could have just as much impact as your diet? If you've been trying to lower your blood sugar, lose weight, or reverse prediabetes, but still wake up tired, this video is for you. Because the truth is, poor sleep can wreck your glucose metabolism, raise insulin resistance, and make it almost impossible to balance your blood sugar, even if you're eating all the right foods. So today, let's break down how sleep really affects blood sugar, what the science says, and how to fix it naturally, starting tonight. Let's start with this simple fact. When you don't sleep enough, your body literally becomes more insulin resistant overnight. In one landmark study from the University of Chicago, healthy adults were restricted to just 4 hours of sleep for 6 nights. The result? Their insulin sensitivity dropped by more than 30%, and their blood sugar rose to pre-diabetic levels in less than a week. That means a few nights of poor sleep can temporarily mimic diabetes in someone who doesn't even have it. Now imagine what happens when that becomes a habit. It's not just about being tired, it's metabolic stress. Here's what's going on behind the scenes. When you're sleep deprived, your stress hormone cortisol stays high throughout the day. Cortisol signals your liver to release stored glucose into the bloodstream, which might help you stay alert short term, but long term, it keeps your blood sugar constantly elevated. At the same time, your appetite hormones go haywire. Leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full, drops. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, spikes. So you wake up craving carbs, coffee, and sugar, not because you lack willpower, but because your brain's running on sleep debt. This vicious cycle makes it almost impossible to eat normally or maintain stable glucose levels. Now, here's something most people don't realize. It's not just the amount of sleep that matters, it's the quality and timing. Studies show that deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, is when your body releases the most growth hormone and repairs insulin receptors. If you're going to bed after midnight or waking up multiple times, you're missing the window where your metabolism resets. Poor sleep also disrupts your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock that tells every cell when to release hormones and burn energy. If your circadian rhythm is off, your pancreas starts releasing insulin at the wrong times. That's why people who do shift work or stay up late often have higher rates of type 2 diabetes, not because they eat worse, but because their internal timing is completely misaligned. Okay, so now you might be wondering, how do I fix this? How do I improve my sleep in a way that actually supports my blood sugar? Let's walk through some evidence-backed tips that really work. Number 1, keep a consistent sleep schedule. Your body thrives on rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate cortisol, melatonin, and insulin release. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. And yes, that means even on weekends. Number 2, block blue light at night. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, your body's sleep hormone. Even 30 minutes of scrolling can delay sleep and raise nighttime blood sugar. Try switching your phone to night mode, dimming household lights, or wearing blue light blocking glasses after 8 p.m. This one change can improve both sleep quality and glucose stability within a few days. Number 3, avoid eating right before bed. Late night snacking is a major glucose disruptor. If you eat a carb-heavy meal too close to bedtime, your body has to keep working to digest it, which keeps blood sugar higher overnight. Try finishing your last meal 2 to 3 hours before sleep and keep it balanced. Protein, healthy fats, and some fiber. It helps stabilize glucose and allows your body to focus on repair instead of digestion. Number 4, create a pre-sleep relaxation ritual. Stress is one of the biggest sleep killers. Deep breathing, meditation, gentle stretching, or even journaling can calm your nervous system and help lower nighttime cortisol. And when cortisol drops, insulin sensitivity goes up. Even 5 minutes of slow breathing before bed can make a measurable difference. There's research showing it reduces fasting glucose the next morning. Number 5, get morning sunlight. This one surprises people, but light in the morning resets your circadian rhythm. Just 10 minutes of natural light after waking helps regulate melatonin for the evening and boosts daytime alertness. Morning light plus consistent bedtimes, hormonal balance. It's one of the simplest hacks to restore your body's natural rhythm, and your blood sugar will follow. Now here's the big takeaway. You can eat the perfect low-carb diet, exercise regularly, even fast. But if your sleep is out of sync, your blood sugar will always fight against you. Sleep isn't just rest. It's a form of metabolic therapy. When you sleep deeply, your cells repair, inflammation drops, and insulin sensitivity improves. That's the hidden link most people miss. So tonight, instead of chasing another supplement or cutting another carb, focus on sleep. Dim the lights, put the phone away, and let your body do what it's designed to do: heal. Because when you start sleeping better, your blood sugar follows. If this video helped you see sleep in a new light, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed ways to take control of your health naturally. And if you've noticed how poor sleep affects your glucose, share your story in the comments. You might just help someone else make the connection too.